Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome to my messy table. I got one more pour left in this catastrophe here, and then I gotta clean. So, what I'm gonna do today is I have a canvas here that I did not like the result on, so we're just gonna do a simple bloom on it. I want to try the airbrush to see if you can use that to blow the center around. It's going to be a really quick video. If you want to know how I mix the paints, I will link the video at the end of this one. It will pop up on the screen right at the end, and you can check it out. I'm going to use a very simple color theme. I have Van Dyke Brown by Golden. I have Crimson Red by Lumiere. I have a little bit of yellow by Utrecht, and I have some gold by Arteza. So it's literally going to be very, very simple, tiny little pour. So what I'm going to do is I put some white down, but I'm going to add another little puddle here, right here in the center, to give that paint that I put on now a little cushion to slide around. So we're going to go with, let's see, yellow first. Then we're going to go with brown. Then gold. And last, the red. And I'm going to add a little bit of white in the center to make the cells. Okay, and now I'm going to take the airbrush and let's see what happens. So it's kind of hard to control, and it's not blowing deep enough to get to those other colors. So let me just pick this up, and we're going to have to do another one because I already blew it around a lot with that. So it's going to disrupt the cells from being created. So I'm going to make another little puddle. This time we're going to do the colors in a different order. I forgot to put my extra white down again. So I think that the best way to do this is with the mouth. They're yellow. Brown. And gold. Let's see what that color combo gives us. Because you'll get a totally different outcome depending on how you layer them. Okay. There we go. And I think I'm going to do one right on top of here. And you have to wait for that paint to come back up, or else it's going to roll over on itself and you're going to ruin your design. So you have to wait. There is no way around that. I mean, I've tried tapping and all, doing the little witchcraft over it. It doesn't speed it up. So the best thing to do is just sit and relax. Wait a few minutes for it to come back up. This one's almost up already. And when you go to blow lightly at first and see where your breath is going. And then when you know you're in the right area, come back and really give it hell. Don't blow hard right away. Like, just lightly blow to see where your breath is aimed. And try to aim for that center. So now we have 2 there. I think I'm going to do 2 mini ones. Do 1 there. And there. This way I know I have enough cell patterned areas. So when I stretch, if I stretch off some of the pretty, there will still be some pretty left, because sometimes there's nothing you can do but tilt off a really pretty part, and you just want to make sure you leave yourself with a couple through the whole stretching process. That's what I do anyway. And it seems to work for me. Alrighty. Oh, we got a little bit too much of that there, but that's okay. Sorry, I can't be in screen when I'm doing that. I just don't have the room. I can't push my camera back far enough for you to be able to see what I'm doing right now. Just blow in the center lightly. All right, so now I'm going to walk away. I'm going to pause you guys, and I'm going to wait like, a couple of minutes. Let me show you this really quick before I tilt it around. Okay, so we got a bunch of little tiny baby cells there. And now I'm going to slowly start stretching it. So right when it goes over the edge, now I'm going to come back just like so. Got a nice cheetah pattern going on here with these colors. Now I'm going to go in the opposite direction. Until it goes over the edge. Okay. Go a little bit further. All now I'm going to come back. And I'm going to go this way. I find it a lot easier to tilt on round surfaces. I'll come back down this way. Go down this way. I'm looking here, this area over here is gorgeous. So let's get some of that off. I'll pull it back down. That is really opening up nicely. And now I'm looking here. I want to go off this way. Okay. Make sure you stick around. I'm going to show the ornaments I did. This one is quite beautiful. I'll wait till you see it up close. I'm going to come down this way. Get that all stretched. All right, now we're going to come this way. Come back down this way. And that's it. These colors are different, but pretty. All right, I'll give you a close-up before I shut the camera off. But first I want to show you the ornaments that you guys were asking to see. So, my friend Judy Sand has cases of heart-shaped and egg-shaped glass ornaments. And they're not your typical glass ornaments that you get at the craft store. They're double the size of those. Really, really good quality, like thick glass. And I can show you a comparison. So here's the one that I showed you on video yesterday, how it dried. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is a craft store ornament. You see the difference in size? Okay. So my challenge with this was, how do I do the pour on it and hold it at the same time? So what I had originally done was I had balanced it on the cup and did the pour and let whatever would happen on the back. What happened was this. So it was bare here, and I went to pick it up and it was a little wet, and so I smeared it. So what I'm going to do to correct that, though, is I'm going to, excuse me, take a pencil and I'm going to trace a heart shape on the back, and I'm going to paint it in white. So the back will be solid white and the front will look like that. But I was talking to the beautiful Leslie Onstad, the owner of Color Art, today, and she gave me a good tip. 3 of these painter pyramids put right next to each other, not in 20 pounds of paint, obviously, but put them right next to each other. And then you can sit it right on top of them. So this way, when you pour the paint on the heart, it'll go down and underneath, and the only little blemish that you should have would be the 3 little points of those painter pyramids. So anyway, that's how it dried. I just have to fix the back, and I'm going to varnish it. It's going to be gorgeous. I actually may resin this. I have a cup turner, so, which, by the way, I will be doing a geode style cup this week coming up. So be on the lookout for that. And then here is the other one I did. So these would make beautiful gifts for your child's teachers. And obviously they have the attachment for the top to hang it from the tree. They're gold. For your child's teachers, your friends, your favorite artists on YouTube. Hint, hint. And the good news is they hold a lot of different material, such as hot glue is fine with it. I've used resin. I've used all kinds of heavy glass chips and yada, yada, yada on them. So anyway, here's my piece for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Check out my Facebook group with my friend Lisa Wyatt Art, who also has a YouTube channel. Check her out. Her channel is Lisa Wyatt Art, and my group with her is called United We Pour with Tammy and Lisa. Go on over and subscribe. Post pictures of your projects that you complete so that I can see them and tell you how beautiful they are. Anyways, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and happy pouring.